Today I decided that I am going to be trading the NFP markets, but one thing that I'm going to be needing from you is to be able to just look at the discipline that it takes in order for you to trade a successful trade. But not even that, I want us to actually go back into looking at some of the facts or some of the things that actually do or that help me mentally be able to just prepare for a beautiful, amazing day such as this. Like, there's a hectic news that are going to be happening. On top of that, we have to still be able to just stick to the strategy. But yeah, let's get over to the office. So normally one thing that I see is that when most people actually do happen to trade the NFP markets, they try to execute their trade just before the news happens in order of, if it does happen to impulse, they're able to enjoy the ride. But that is one of the wrongest ways that you can trade it. The best way that we look at it is to focus on our strategy and allow it to show us what we are looking for. And on top of that, we allow the markets to then confirm that. Once it is confirmed, we will be executing and we are going to be taking these trades. So yeah, I'm currently looking for a buy on Nasdaq. I noticed the market actually did move, but I'm looking for a clean buy and I can just be able to secure on it. Guys, I need you guys to be able to take advantage of our Telegram group. We are growing it into becoming a better and valuable group for each and every trader out there that's looking to grow. Make sure that you're in it, the first link that's in the description. But now let us look at the NFP. I've actually noticed that most people, whenever they're executing trades on this, what they do is that with their management, like especially when they're trading news, they'll be waiting for those news to react on the spot, just so they're able to start taking profits and placing trades and stuff. For us, we had to wait. NFP came 2:30. We in fact executed our first trade like an hour later, like around 3:30, 4:45. That's when we executed our first trade, and within just an hour we're now currently running at a positive $1,000, and we're still pushing upwards. We see price going all the way up to hit targets. So it's all about management. But on top of that, fortunately, we've been able to just secure a few profits, and we're still managing it. So yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated. But I think the most important thing is for you guys to see how we caught it, and not even that, but see how we actually are managing just this one trade. So right now it's solid. Got my mastermind plan right here in order of what I'm actually looking for, and at the same time I will just be able to just secure this. Okay, so far what we've done is that we spotted an entry, and so the only thing that I'm going to be focusing more on is executing this trade as well, and at the same time being able to just manage it, because what we've done is that we saw a buy stop in compared to a buy now. We saw a buy stop, so as soon as I can be able to just get that buy stop be activated. So for most of you guys that do not know what a buy stop is whenever the market is actually here, let's say the market is at this current price, and you're seeing that if it continues to go up, it will push to a higher level. So what you do is that you put a buy entry, but not at the current market price. You put it above where it's currently at, just so when it continues to push upwards, that's when it will activate me, and then it obviously I'll start to enjoy the profits when it is only going my direction. But if it sells or if it goes against me, and if it didn't activate me, that means that I still have enough time and swing to play around with. So we just saw the news release pulling through around 2:30 here today. NFP, you can simply see, and right here you can see the previous that it actually was at is 165,000. It actually was forecasted to go 181, which is a bit more higher than the previous. It actually did go high, but in fact it went way more higher. It went all the way up to 253,000. Right now the only thing that we're doing is that we're managing this trade. So let me just show you guys how we came with it and from where we came with it. You can see, let me just go here where we started the very first signal. Okay, right here it is. US 100. We actually started off with US GBP JPY. That's how we sent it. And let's just take a look at what's actually going on with GBP JPY, because I haven't really updated on it. But so far you can see it's moving in profits, just a bit. Profits on the 1 hour time frame, just a bit profits. And as soon as it pushes upwards, what we're gonna do is that we already moved our stop loss to somewhere here, so we're not risking as much anymore. But now on US 100, us trading the NFP markets, you can see price is still pushing upwards massively. So you can see there's GBP. Let me just come back down. Right here, US 100, you can see here, that's how we shared it. At first it was still here, and we didn't even use a buy entry. Instead we used a buy stop when the market actually had to push through in order for us to be able to make those profits. And then right here you can simply see US 100, we shared the signal, and from here, boom, we got activated. Boom, we're moving stop loss. Boom, we've locked in maximum profits. Boom, we've now even took partial profits. You can see we even took some partial profits here. So basically this whole thing is moving super clean. You can see right now it's here at the top of structure, but it being here, what it does is that waiting for it to just break above here, so it continues going all the way to take profit, which is somewhere here around 3.2%. But for now, we have locked in maximum profits here, and at the same time right here you can see that we have took some partial profit. So it's just more about managing. Most people are thinking that we had to use different types of strategies in order to just catch this NFP move, but truly speaking guys, this is the same methods that we're using. You can see on the 4-hour time frame we have this big impulse move and this big corrective phase that eventually broke out, and we made some profits for it to go up, and we still see price going all the way to the upside. But now here it was still retracing and playing around here, going a bit low all the way up until here. This is where we saw price push down. If it broke below here, we're seeing it come here and then look for a buy entry. But eventually, as soon as it placed here, let me just go to the 60-minute time frame so you're able to see. As soon as it came here, you can simply see that price started giving us this left shoulder, head, right shoulder, but not even that. This first touch here, second touch, third touch, and we started putting our buy stops literally here when price was still here. We could have took a buy entry move type here, but we just wanted to be enjoy the not risk way too much. And boom, you can see price shot up and now it's shooting all the way upwards. So right now it's just more about managing. This was just the beautiful structure that gave us this first touch, second touch, and another third touch, and price broke below here. At the same time it retested here, and now it's going all the way upwards. You can see currently we're making close to $1,000. We just crossed that $1,000 mark within, and we took this trade like literally maybe less than an hour ago. So it's $1,000 within an hour. And you can see this trade is still running. It's still running right here. So we're just excited and we're gonna wait for it to just continue pushing. Maybe we can just secure some profits on top of that, but we have already secured profits. So I know even if it goes against us, I'm still gonna be going home with at least over like $700. So yeah, I'm excited guys. So just after a couple of hours, maybe an hour or two, you can simply see right here the price has closed above, and right now we're looking into scaling and going all the way to the upwards, maybe up until here at the resistance. But so far I'm excited, and we just want to scale and be able to just secure maximum profits, because you can see so far we've locked here, we've took partial profits, but I think that we can move our stop loss from here all the way to somewhere below here. Truly speaking, I'm now looking at this move being able to move, and within just less than an hour we've been able to secure, currently running at $1,300 in profits, which is close to like what, 26k, somewhere around there. And it's just thinking to me that it's a skill that I want to sit down, and I told myself that I'm gonna learn the skill, I'm gonna master it, whatever that it takes. I will make sure that I get this skill. And I remember a few days ago I was actually speaking to one of my brothers, and he did mention that once you've got a skill, no one can take food off your plate, no matter what obstacles, no matter what, because I know even if anything happens, as long as I can just get a trading account, I'll be able to just flip and grow that to whatever money that I want. So most people are scared to take that action of investing in that skill, but what they are looking more forward on doing is, as soon as they have some funds, they just want to fund as minimum as possible, or fund whatever. And as soon as they fund it, what they do is that they start now looking into growing it to bigger numbers. Maybe they grow it, and once they've grown it, they hit a limit, and because of lack of knowledge to go past that limit, what they do is that they end up blowing the accounts. They never withdraw. They go through all these things. You do not have to be going through all of that. The most important thing in trading is once you hit a limit, it means that you have to refine certain things, you have to increase certain things, the knowledge that you know, you need to improve certain things, and from there you'd be able to just cross and go over to the other side. So most people are not willing to invest their time into doing that. But obviously the ones that are actually looking to doing that, those are the dedicated ones, which we love working with these people. But guys, make sure that you're in the Telegram group. Let us continue to just look at the setup. You can see in the group as well, we said just close profits. We told them to move stop loss to literally right here below, and you can see price just took us out now with maximum profits. This is on the 1 hour 1 hour time frame. You can see price took us out with maximum profits, guys. We ate and we killed it. We're excited, we're done for the day, and we already have this other trade that is running here, GBP JPY. You can simply see how it's moving. This is how we share it right here, GBP JPY. So also what we're going to do now is that we are going to be locking in some profits on GBP JPY right here, and this is how we share it when it's still here. But look at what's going on, and this is on the 1 hour, remember. So look at it. So what we're going to do now is that we are going to be moving profits, maybe somewhere from here up until in areas such as like here, just so we can call it a day. And automatically close to $1,000 on US 100, and you can see GPG is also moving well. So it's more like one of those beautiful days whereby you can secure some profits on any it's one of those days where you can secure profits literally on the pairs or instruments that you would have executed on. So I went hardest on US 100, and GP I didn't go that hard, but one thing that I love is that you can see that it's moving well, and this is one of those trades that can actually push throughout even the next week. So there'll be more opportunities to come. So currently I'm excited, super happy. You can see I even have my excited head on because we're able to just secure some profits from the NFP markets. But the way that we're seeing it, I did mention that we do not wait for the news to come out, and then we don't anticipate the news to come out like immediately and place trades immediately, but instead we still allow our technicals to be able to show. That's it, guys. I hope you guys did happen to have fun. Obviously, make sure that you like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you guys on the next YouTube video. It is your boy Tupi. Make sure as well that you are in our Telegram group. That is where we share most of our valuable work in there. See you.